Hey everyone, I have trailer rental business, so I rent out some trailers here and other small equipment too. Excuse my coughing. And I have about 15 trailers now, and I have people ask me all the time about just a whole bunch of little things, which to me are common sense because I've been doing this a while, for a little over 3 years now. 3.5 actually, and so just day to day for me, whether it's how to wire your winch, what trailer contracts do you get, how do you find places to store your trailers, what insurance do you use, what are the best tires, all these little questions. How often do you actually do maintenance? Do you have to see your people? What do you say to them? All these little things. How you wire these solar panels, everything. I mean, there's thousands and thousands of questions, and of course thousands and thousands of answers. What trailer's the best? What trailers don't you get? Good brands, everything. Well, luckily for you guys, if you have any questions, whether you're gonna rent trailers, you wanna rent trailers, you're thinking about renting trailers, whether it's good for you or not, whether you just want to buy a trailer, well, you can find out all that info in a free group that I have. It's on Skool. It's called the Trailer Rental Blueprint. So you can either click the link in my TikTok description, or you can straight up just search it. Skool is Skool. Awesome platform. I have a whole bunch of free good posts on there, just random info that I post when I think of it. People can ask questions, which is you guys, or I have a huge step-by-step, is trailer renting right for you, and how to do it from step 0. I have a guide, so you can purchase that as well. Whole bunch of other stuff I have, maintenance, logs, the contracts I have a whole bunch of stuff, a list of items that I literally buy, or items that I keep on hand. So, do I keep these safety chains on hand? Keep these pins on hand? What solar panels do I buy? What batteries do I buy? Winches do I buy? Every single part you could possibly think that I have on hand. I mean, I have that listed there. Just a whole bunch of random stuff. What tools do I have in my truck? So, I even have a list of there. So, got some tools, got some straps, everything. So, whole bunch of cool stuff. Check out the group. I mean, dude, it's free. Just at least check it out. You might learn something, and that's what life is about, is learning. So, like I said, whether you rent or not, you might learn something that small or big impacts your life. So, let's get this together. We're here to help each other out.